Good afternoon, ma'am. What's your name?
Joy po. Joy.
So, may katanungan po kami sa iyo about sa professional local worker po. So, here's your first question po. How do you handle dental emergencies or unexpected complications?
Like, anong klaseng emergency?
Any emergencies like something na pagkirot or pagnilo, bigla ang sira yung pinagawa ng like that po.
Actually, naman, sa amin kasi sa dentist, we do it right away here at dental clinic. As long as it's clinic hours. Pero kapag sa mga emergency na gano'n, minsan kapag makirot, dynamic lang, gamot lang. Ayan. Pero pag clinic hours, we do it. Dito na sa chambers.
Next question po is, what role does patient education play in your practice? What role does patient education play in your patients?
In what way? Sorry. Kami nagtuturo kami ng sa dental education ba? Like,
Yes,
oral cleaning, ganun ba yung after ng cleaning namin, we teach them how to brush their teeth, how many times, or sa pag-gargle din, ganun din. Every after procedure kapag naglilinis ko. Lahat naman ng patient, tinuturuan namin. Every after procedures.
And last po, how do you prioritize patient care and manage your time effectively?
How do you manage?
How do you prioritize patient care and manage your time effectively?
Okay. By scheduling them, like telling them ahead of time anong schedule nila para sunod-sunod na yung patients and we know what time hindi sila nakapila dito. What else? Ayun.
Pero online po ba? May contact?
Yeah, may contact kami. Online, text, call.
Thank you po.
Yun lang.